What is going on, everybody? Today we got a brand new video. We're going to be installing the SPC rear camber arms in the Mazda 3 and dialing in that sweet rear fitment because I am rubbing away. This install is it looks tricky, but I think it should be pretty easy. It's literally 2 bolts. The passenger side apparently is a bit of a pain, but we're gonna find our way around that. Other than that, let's go ahead and unbox what we're looking at. So what the SPC rear camber arm essentially allows us to do is adjust and make it so that we can camber out or camber in, however we would like to. This is like coated so it doesn't rust. It's kind of nice. Except it already kind of got beat up in the packaging. So basically we're gonna be able to dial in the rear camber on the Mazda 3. I do have another set of wheels coming in, so I won't be adjusting today. I just want to show you guys how to get these in. And since I only have this one on me right now, we're going to install it on the difficult side just so I can have it done and over with. And when the other one comes in, I will be back in a couple of weeks. Let's go ahead, bring the car inside and get this in. This right here is your factory camber arm. 1 bolt that goes in right here, and then you can see the other. I do have new hardware for both sides. As like I said, this is a rusty job. You're going to need a 17 and an 18 if you want a double wrench, but 17 is going to be your main boy this job. And I would highly suggest getting a ratcheting 817 for that top bolt. I don't have a ratcheting 17, so I'm gonna be doing this for a long time. This might look different on the speeds and everything, but when you're prying on this, stick it in like this, get up there, and see, you wanna connect on this corner right here and push it in. As you guys see, push that in more, and it's kind of creased over there, which now I should have some room to get that bolt out. Now that's basically all I could show you because I'm going to be up there. So all I can say from here is good luck, don't hurt yourself. This is a sign of good news. I did actually go and buy a ratcheting wrench because yes, it would take too long. Essentially, as the bolt started getting further and further out, I kept prying against the bolt against this bracket, and it kept pushing it even further and further. So it actually came out really, really nice. Now I'm going to take 17 and see if this comes out. Now, the arm just falls right out. And there's the old arm. Boom! Look how big and ugly this thing is. And it's worn out. Here is your look at them put side by side. SPC arm, old arm. Obviously this has never been replaced and probably never will be. But you can see some of the bushing in there is just getting old, so it is definitely good to upgrade these arms. When you guys are putting these in, unless you like for some reason know what adjustment you want, you're gonna want to basically line up these holes. Now you're set up, good to go. I'm going to tighten down the thread as well. It's going in exactly how it pretty much came out. Your rotation side, or your adjustment side is going to go in on over here, which is good. We're going to tighten this pinch bolt. So you guys can see how much room I have in here. Like this isn't even, like I have room to get on and everything. So don't worry about bending this out all the way. I am going to be able to bend it back. Gonna go ahead and torque this now to 75 foot-pounds. And there is our first installation of 1 of 2 SPC camber arms. I will see you guys when the next one comes in. And the second one has shown up. We're gonna go ahead, put it into the driver's side of the car. Finally. Did the same thing that I did on the other side to match these up. Right on the spot, I think. So when you do adjust these, you want to make sure that in between here is the same as in between here. And it's all ready to go inside the car now. So just like I did last time, I want to put the top portion in first. This 35 bucks of hardware for this to go in this easy. Now before I do torque this, I am putting a bit of load on it, considering these do rotate. So I don't want to stress out the bushing. As you can see, the control arm is in there and ready to go. Don't forget to also tighten the jam nut that tightens on the base thread here once you put it all in. Now I can go ahead, put the wheel back on, lower down the car, and we are done with the camber arm install. And that's the install for today. That's all I have. There's pretty much nothing else. Like I said, I'm not gonna be adjusting the rear camber until I get my next set of wheels in, which will be really soon. So if you wanna see how to adjust camber and all that stuff with the rear SVC arms, wait a few videos. I'll definitely have something on that. The install went good. Don't be scared about the passenger side. Like I said, you can definitely get that bracket out of the way. You just definitely need a pry bar and of length. Make sure you have ratcheting wrenches because that would take a long time if you didn't. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what you guys think. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. Keep it real. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all in the next one.